I have a message for the collective using the Animal Spirit Oracle by Bruce Clifton and Sonia Parker. And the message here is opportunity with this woodpecker. Opportunity is coming. Our perseverance is finally paying off. And now is the time to not be afraid of doing something different, something that we normally wouldn't do, something against the status quo, to get our point across, to get our authenticity out there. But opportunity is coming. We just got to step out of our comfort zone a little bit more. And the advice here is the salamander, which is transition. Don't be afraid of change. Don't be afraid of embodying who we really want to become. Our healed self, our most authentic self, our most inspiring self, our most independent self, our most luxurious self. Whatever this opportunity you've been wanting to call in that is coming, we need to not be afraid of it. We need to burn that spark and light it into a fire and accept the change that is coming. I love you and I like you.